The flags over here, they are blowing hard. Blowing out here at about 15 miles an hour plus. Oh, there it is. So how's it doing in the wind, Todd? About 15 miles an hour. We're just really kind of turbulent out here, but we're see if we can get a flight in here in this high winds. That's awesome. It's hovering. Yeah, you rolled it, didn't you? Try it again. Can you do an Emmelman? You know what an Emmelman is? There you go. Something like that. Nice. I'm gonna double check the focus on this thing. It's actually hovering right here. Oh man. So it really likes wind. This plane, like a wind freak, it just loves it. Oh man. You can see the flags over here, they are blowing hard. It's really a terrible day for flying, but this thing makes it look easy. Todd does too, but it's like gusting and windy and how much wind do you think it would handle? How much more wind do you think